Hi, Intro to Web Design, Group 1. Here are your instructions for Thursday and Friday, October 15th and October 16th. You're going to start in Schoology in Unit 3, which is CSS, which we've just started on Monday of this week while you were in school. And you are going to move to, let's see, 3.1, and you're going to work on 3.1.5 on Thursday and finish that up. You would have started that in class on Tuesday and then finish that up and turn that in on Thursday evening. And then on Thursday, you also want to start 3.1.6 and get that turned in on Friday the 16th. So, which is adding CSS code to your Pro Designer website in Cloud9. So, as always, if you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email. Otherwise, I will see you in class next Monday. Bye, everyone.